Here's a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a wedgie. The move can be broken down into a couple components. The first is the movement of your legs or your feet. The second is the movement of your hips, like this. So we have the marching of the feet, or the I have to potty dance, with the movement of the hips from side to side. You'll want to use a hoop that is large enough to touch the ground and sit between your thighs. It may be easier to try with a 3/4 inch thick hoop if you have that on hand. Mine is slightly less thick at 11/16, or the Goldilocks size. I'll show you the move with my right foot inside the hoop first. The left leg is the pushing leg. I begin lifting my left leg in a marching movement to get the hoop to hinge up my body. Really try to use a bit of force when pushing the hoop with your left leg. I find it helpful to use your left hand to guide the hoop as you march your left leg to get a feel for the sensations of the hoop as it hinges about your right leg. When you feel you've got the motion down, release your hand and keep pushing with your left leg. Keep your thighs together as the hoop falls back to the starting position, waiting to be pushed again. Up to this point, I've been allowing the hoop to fall to the starting position, but there is a way to use your hips and march both legs to encourage the hoop to move from up position to the down position, and it looks like this. The hoop will naturally return to the ground without the right foot marching, so the move really works either way. I think people prefer the both leg movement, but it's just up to you, to be honest. Try the move a few times. So, since you got it down with your right leg inside the hoop, let's try it with your left leg inside the hoop. Oh, quick garment break. Okay! With your left leg inside the hoop, push your right leg towards your left leg, keeping your thighs together. I allow the hoop to fall to the ground before using my right leg to push the hoop up once more. A popular variation is to move both legs like you're marching, and it looks like this. You can also see how I move my hips toward the side that the hoop is being pushed. So, to recap, we have the marching legs, the movement of the hips, and the hoop hinging about the leg up and down repeatedly. I'll now go over 2 transitions for this move. The first is to duck through the hoop and move from wedgie with one side pushing to the other side pushing. Ooh, all right, quick hair break. The next is escalator to a wedgie. And here's the other side. Well, that's the tutorial. Check out the links to tutorials on the moves I mentioned in this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, bye!